Hey everyone. Okay, so today I'm going to cover bulk crate. Now, a lot of people think this is new and all that. It's not new. I was able to add images several months ago. I even made videos about this. However, since a lot of people are loving this and want to know more, I felt like, okay, let's just go ahead and showcase how to do this. Now, these are good to use bulk crate the way I'm going to show you here in a second is is the best way to create social media images, and I mean like pins, um Instagram. I mean, you can do not reels, stories, all this things, but then you can also do a whole bunch of them and create a reel and a story and stuff like that. So kind of keep that in your head when you see. I'm going to show you how I'm making 20 dad tip social media posts. Okay, so let's get to it. Um, I already have one set up, but basically all you need to do is just create a design. Pick the size image that you want. If you're going to do Instagram, pick that. If you're going to do Facebook post, pick that. If you're going to do a Pinterest, then pick that size. Okay. All right. So I'm just going to click on this since I already have it going, and going to show you a couple things here. Okay. So this is a very basic design. I have just a colored background. I have a couple hearts here. I have a dad tip and then number, and then the one, and then this will be the tip, and then this will be the image. I see that it's a little off, so let me fix that. I always like to center everything, so I want to make sure that everything is centered. Okay. All right. Okay. So, what we're going to do is first thing you do is you design what you want your image to look like. So I had, like I just told you, I walked through the things there: picture, the quote or tip, and then number and date. So everything is fine here. I'm liking it. I'm ready to put in all the awesome stuff. Okay. So then what you're going to do is you're going to go down to bulk create. Now, if you don't have it on the side like I do, I use it a lot. Go to apps. All right. And then you just type in bulk crate and it should pop up. Okay, here we go. Is this slow because of the computer? All right, so there we go. Bulk crate. So you can either enter manually or upload from a CSV. I just do manually, it's easier for me. So, and this is where you can put in the pictures and all that. So let's go ahead and click on this. I'm going to move my little head here. Move. Okay. So first thing I do is I clear the table. I add, this is going to be the tip. I'm going to add number, and then I'm going to add image. Okay. So the tip here, I got from ChatGPT. I could easily ask Canva to do it, but it didn't give me the ones I really wanted. So I just went to ChatGPT and I asked, please give me 20 dad tips. And it gave me some pretty decent ones. So let's see here. I'm going to paste. Oh, guess I need to. All right. I'm over in ChatGPT now, and okay. All right, so I'm going to go back over to Canva, and okay, so I got it now. There was, yeah, anywho. Okay, so as you can see that they have the little quotations and stuff like that. Don't worry about that now. You don't need to sit there and delete them all. I will show you a way to get rid of them. All right, and then the numbers. I'm going to just be numbering these 1 to 20. So, okay, so I put that in. Now we're going to do the images. So the images are going to have to be either uploaded into a folder or in your uploads. Okay, so I got a bunch of dad pictures that I'm going to use. So, and each one is going to have a different image. Okay, so I'm going to show you a couple and then I'll do it. That way you don't have to sit through the whole thing here. Okay, so I uploaded a whole bunch, so I have them right here. And let's see here. Let's start down here. Okay. And then next one. Yeah, I wonder what happened here. I'm going to take these out. Delete row. No, delete column. Okay, I don't know what was happening. You want to make sure that all these boxes are white or else you'll just get stuck like I did. So I don't know what happened there. All right, so let me just hurry up and do this. Okay. All right, so you see that I'm adding the pictures. Okay, so I'm going to pause it. I'm going to add all the pictures in, and I'll be right back. Okay, so I got them all in there. So there we go. So I got my tips, I got the tip number, and I got images. So we're going to go done. And then we're going to connect everything. Okay. And so we're going to connect this number to the number. So you're going to come up here. You're going to either just click up here and you're going to click it to number. Okay. And then right here, this is where the quote's going to be. So you're going to want to click the tip. And you name them what you want. You can just name them text 1, text 2, whatever. But I just want to do, and then the image, connect data, image. Okay, image. There we go. When they are purple like that, then they're connected. Okay, so I think we got everything. We got the number, we got the tip, and the image. So let's go ahead. It's going to give us 20. You can do as many as you want. I'm just doing 20 because, time. But yeah, you can do 155, whatever you want to do. Okay, so I'm going to click continue. In here, it's just telling us, look there's 20 of them. Generate 20, yes. Okay, so then it's going to open up in a new window. Okay, this is where all the 20 will be. And if you do not like how they are on the bottom over here, just click over here to the right bottom and it will go ahead and scroll, and you can click back and forth. All right, so now I remember how I told you about all these little quotations, and they're in all of them, and there's even a comma. So that's just because I copy and pasted. So let's go ahead and see how everything looks. I got the number there, I got the tip, and I got the photo. Everything looks really good. I might have to, just do a little rearranging on some things, but I don't think too much at all. They all came out very good. All right. Okay, so let's go ahead and take out these quotations and the commas. Go over to File. You're going to go Find and Replace. Head over here. You're going to find and you're going to put the quotations. And look, it says there's 40 of them, okay? And we're going to replace them with nothing. So make sure this is empty. And then you're going to click Replace All. Okay, so that took that out. All right, now let's do the comma. Okay, so there's 19 of them. And same thing, we want to take them all the way out with nothing to replace. And there we go. Okay, now if I want to, I could, just put that down a little bit. If I wanted to do a little bit more of like matchy match, I could change the photo background to something like this. It's just all up to you, but look it. You now, within minutes, have all these new designs and images, and it didn't take but a couple minutes. Okay, so that is how the bulk crate can work. And now think about this. Pins, this would work super for pins. Okay, I do see that I will have to, my numbers down here, like these numbers are fine, but let me get over here. So what I would do, I'm just going to take all of that, and I can either group them together so that it will center them. There we go. And that looks much better. Okay, so just a little tweak here and there you go. Bulk crate, best thing ever. So yeah, you can do a search in my YouTube. I have all kinds of bulk crate. I've been doing the manually and the images for a while now. Remember, images, you always have to have a frame. Can't do anything but with a frame. Now, I did one earlier and it had like clip art, so I'm going to show that real quick. I don't want this video to be very long. Okay, so we're going to go back to home. Actually, I could have just went to projects. Oh, did I get it? All right, let me check my trash because I think I deleted it. Yep, there we go. Let's put this one back, restore. All right, see, there you go. You learned another thing. Look in your trash. Okay, projects. Okay, so I'm going to show you if you do with like clip art and stuff, because I do that a lot. You're going to have to do a little bit. Now you can load them into the images, but I'll show you how they're going to turn out. See, they're going to be cut off. Okay. So basically, if you want the clip art, I'll show you the walk around or the way to go around it. Okay. So right up here, do the three dots and detach image, and uh, just take that out. And granted, that's a lot, a lot more work than you probably want to do, but I just wanted to show you it's doable. Okay. And there you go. If they're like circled, if your images are circled, you can do a circle frame. It just has to be a frame to get the images in here. So yeah, so that's a workaround if you're because these are really cute, right? These are really cute. So there you go. All right, that is kind of a new feature, but if you're like a bulk crate queen like myself, I've been doing this for a while because the image thing has been there for a bit. I don't think not many people knew how to use it. All right. And tomorrow I'm going to showcase um, some magic edit. No, magic what is it? Magic grab. So I'm going to show some magic grab tomorrow, and then the next day with magic design, or not magic. See, so many magics. The magic edit. Okay, so there's a couple things that um, are upgraded with that, and then docs. I have a video every week. All right, bye.